Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes, and pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File Tip of the Week is 3 social media awareness tips every vendor team member needs to hear. Now, I recently saw an article on an insider threat attempt at Tesla, which all started from a connection on a social media platform. Now, to protect your team, please like and share this quick video with the following tips to help them from becoming a victim. Now, the first tip is to verify your connections. There are many fake profiles on social media platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook, and once you connect with cyber criminals, they now have a connection to all of your connections. If you are suspicious, don't connect. Now, alternatively, you can do a reverse image search on Google to verify that their profile picture is not being used on several LinkedIn or Facebook accounts. This is a red flag that it's a fraudulent account. The second tip is to not overshare. Don't include on your LinkedIn or Facebook profile that you handle payment information. Don't post in advance your vacation plans, and if you remember, that's how the Shark Lady lost $400,000. And keep your sensitive information off of social media platforms. Sorry, but no birthday wishes. The third tip is phishing messages in LinkedIn messaging. I recently reported a LinkedIn fake document scam that arrived in users' direct messaging on LinkedIn. When they clicked on the fake PDF, it took them to a phishing site to log in their LinkedIn credentials. Now, to hear all about the Tesla 2020 insider threat that triggered this Vendor Master File tip, I will put a link to my blog post in the description that also contains tips to protect your vendor team from being a victim of insider threats. If you would like more information on how to combat fraud, please go to my website at debrarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and bad vendor data. So good luck, and don't forget to tune in next Tuesday for next week's Vendor Master File Tip of the Week.